That was awesome.
I didn't think so.
Who are you anyway?
The sign.
Pizza?
I think so. Need any more identifying? There we go. My work here's done.
Zombie!
Yeah.
Get those shades.
What shade?
Oh, okay. Well, sorry, I have a strict policy. Hey, no zombies allowed, okay?
Jeez.
That kid's weird. Man, I can't feel my legs as a zombie. It's really annoying. I hate being a zombie.
Oh, hey Tom.
Hey, does your zombie policy mean I have to go outside too?
Nah, you're just a loser.
Oh, good, because I'm a zombie. You're a zombie! Yeah. Zombie! What's his problem?
Gun. Where's the gun?
Right here. Let's do this. Let's kill some zombies.
Started the cure.
The Nerf Alpha Trooper CS18, perfect for all-around blasting. The Nerf Barrel Break IX2, the best for short-range blasting. And now, introducing the Nerf Clear Series. It's Nerf. It's Nerf. It's Nerf. Or nothing!